So if you want to remove the leather and seat backing from these seats, you're going to need to remove these little grommets that the headrests go in, and they're kind of tricky. So I'm going to show you how to get to those. First, we want to peel the leather out from the little place where it folds in. I don't know. As you can see, this side has already come out. This side has already come out as well. So I'm gonna just carefully, on this side, get the screwdriver in there. I'll probably need both hands, but try not to like damage the leather, obviously, but you want to get it started to where this tab is coming out. See, this folds under the metal seat frame little tab, and it kind of goes all the way around, or all the way across. And this is the motor for the headrest adjustment, and it kind of gets in the way, but you can still work the leather cover out of that crack. But then I'm going to move to this side and get it started just so it's easier. So now this side is started. I'm just gonna work it. So now the top part is pulled out from the seat frame. So now you can peel it back and see where that that grommet goes in. There's actually a tab on either one, and then also a notch in the seat frame where this other tab needs to line up to. So you need to have the grommet kind of facing this way so that it will come out correctly. And you can see, I think someone tried to pry this out from the top, and that's not going to work. You need to go, you need to be able to peel back this leather and the horsehair mat, and then get the screwdriver in there, push that tab in, and then you will be able to pull out this plastic from this side. So as you can see, I have my screwdriver. Just gonna try and line it up with the tab. Do this all one-handed. It's not possible to completely do it, but see, the tab is pushed down, and then I'm gonna pull that out. So there you go. It takes a little bit of finessing. While you're pushing the tab down, you might have to wiggle this a little bit to get it free. But here's the piece. You can see the notch where it fits into the metal frame, and then also the other side where it is supposed to fit in that notch. There we go. Same deal for the other side. So this one came up pretty easily. I just pressed the tab in a little bit and it popped. I think it's broken. That's why. But anyway, so now you will be able to kind of maneuver this metal part off, or maneuver the leather and the seat padding off, whichever way you want to look at it. And then this part will be free from the metal part. Sorry, I forgot to mention there is a little fold over in the padding. This is going to be the bottom of the seat back that you'll need to peel off from this spring seat back part. Let's see, it also looks like it folds under there. Don't know if that matters or not. I think it's just, that's all you need for right now. And with a bit of wiggling, kind of maneuvering around it, you'll be able to get this off of the frame. There are also these black plastic tabs that are holding the frame to the cushion. Forgot about those. They weren't on the other seat that I did. I guess they had been broken already. I'm gonna try and pry it with my screwdriver, pull it off of there. Yep, so I pried it up, pulled it with my finger. The This plastic is pretty pliable still, so it didn't break, thankfully. So same thing, of course, for the other side. And fingers crossed that is everything that you need. Yep, so there you go. That is the frame of the seat back. This is the leather and the seat cushion. You can see here is where the headrest motor is. There's a tab there. And then one you can't really see, well, a little bit, tab right there on the other side. Another quick addendum, because that's happening in this video. If you want to get this seat headrest adjustment motor out, you need to pry on this longer black plastic piece, and then while it's pried in, you need to slide this way. I guess if it's this, I don't know if this is passengers or a driver's seat, but here's how it's situated behind the metal frame. Get the long piece, pry it back, and then push it to the side as you're prying it, and you won't break these tabs off.